now that he's preparing one of the shirts to be photographed for 1am issue number 4. And what do we have here? Oh, looks like the stone. I'd love for them to see that. Now this is happening for workshop dinner. Martin Popwell, the artist, is screen printing onto a shirt for our shoot today. So, that's a right. This is the scene. Very arty. Bye, Rebecca. Okay, got tape. And our lovely model Maeve is being cheek gunned again, and what we have is what do you call one of these things again?
It's a foray.
A foray. And if you can't recognise, if you can't foray the foray.
It's Maori.
It's Maori.
It's like a native house.
Now, if you can't figure out what the foray is going on here, the foray is actually that way. See it now? Good. Now, yeah, thank you.
It's when they eat white people.
Oh, all right. Thank you for that little insight. Here we go. Martin Popwell having a beer, and Popwell's Mr. Sandy, and all the goings on and going. And an artist kit. How wonderful. Anyway, we've got lots of wonderful photos. Don't see if you can. And here we go, Glenn. Glenn, ding ding.
Wait till here's that what?
The noises.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What?